we are looking at how to pronounce these two words in English. They are spelled differently, but they are to be pronounced exactly the same way. They have no difference in the pronunciation. So let's have a look at their meanings and how to say them properly. The top word, D-I-E, is to pass away when you lose your life, when somebody dies. The verb is said as die, to pass away. The bottom word, D-Y-E, is to color or stain a piece of fabric, for example, a clothing or any substance, to add some color with a pigment to it. And that's also said to dye a piece of clothing, for example, to dye give some color, or to die, to pass away. Both pronunciations are similar, homophones. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.